Here I have OPPO Reno 6 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So firstly, you have to open contacts, then pick contact which you want to add photo, tap edit contact, then tap on the camera icon to add his photo. Then you have an option to take a photo or to just select one from the gallery. Then you have to select the photo. Here you can adjust it like this, and then just tap done, save, and as you can see, image added. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.